Namaste. Welcome to Booster Shots. In this series on yoga postures, we will try to understand how our wellness can start with just one stretch. Today, let us explore Bhujangasana, the Cobra Pose, energizing our spine. Bhujangasana finds its mention in Gerand Samhita, a 17th century Hatha Yoga classic. In chapter 2 verses 42 and 43 describes the steps to perform this yoga pose. It is ideal for relieving the desk stress. However, this yoga pose must be strictly avoided during pregnancy and by those suffering from herniation, headaches, backaches or with back injuries, carpal tunnel syndrome or who had abdominal surgery recently. It is best practiced in the morning, empty stomach and with a fresh mind. Bhujangasana or Cobra Pose is a yoga posture that involves arching the back while lying on the stomach. To perform this pose, lie on your stomach with legs extended and feet together. Ensure your forehead is resting on the floor. Place your palms flat on the floor under your shoulders with fingers pointing forward. Gently tuck your toes in and engage your pelvic muscles, ensuring a firm base. Press into your palms and engage your back muscles. Inhale deeply as you lift your head, chest and abdomen off the floor, keeping your elbows slightly bent and close to your body. Keep your pelvis grounded, your neck in a neutral position and your gaze slightly upward. Hold the pose for 15 to 20 seconds or longer, focusing on deep, even breaths. Slowly lower your chest and head back to the floor, exhaling as you go. Bhujangasana helps improve flexibility and build strength in the back and arms. Help improve digestion and relieve constipation. It is beneficial for breathing difficulties, calming nerves and stress relief. It can help correct slouching and improve overall posture. Stretch your spine with booster shots. Like, share and subscribe. Namaste.